Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about YouTube tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you on how to fix YouTube thumbnail error and how you can successfully upload your custom YouTube thumbnail. Let's get started. Like for instance, this particular video right here, I want to change the thumbnail. So if I go ahead and then I click on options right here and I go ahead and click on upload file. Then I select my file image right here, which is in JPEG format. Then I go ahead and hit on open. Then you get something like this. File is bigger than 2 MB. How do you fix this problem and successfully upload? The very first thing we want to do to fix this type of problem is to come to the top right here. And then what you want to do here is to go ahead and create a new tab. Having created a new tab, come to the search right here and type in compress image file size. Hit enter. In a few seconds, it's taking right here. You can use any of the software or website options right here. So I'm going to use the first options right here. So I'm going to right click on it, open link in a new tab, and I'm going to go back here. So what we want to do here, you can see compressed image which supports JPEG, PNG, SVG, or GIF. So what we want to do here is to go ahead and click on select images. Then select the thumbnail, click on open, then come down below right here. Having uploaded the image, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come down below right here. Click on compress images. And just like so, you can see the image has been successfully compressed from 2.5 megabytes to this particular size right here, and then automatically a download folder is going to pop up right here. Go ahead and hit on save. Now the image has been successfully reduced to 7.66.36 KB, and we still maintain the quality of the image. Next thing we want to do is to go back to our YouTube right here and then go ahead and click on here, click on upload file. Then what we want to do here is to go ahead and select the And what we want to do here is to go ahead and go to our download folder. Then go ahead and click on new compressed file. Click on open. Then you have successfully uploaded the image. Go ahead and click on save. And it's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.